Bronson Healthcare is hosting two job fairs this July. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm News 8 digital anchor Luke Laster here from the Wood TV Live Desk. Joining me today is Adam Bogema of Bronson for more on these job fairs. Adam, good afternoon.
Hi, how are you?
Doing well. Thank you for taking the time. So these two fairs here by the end of the month, we got one on July 26th, the other on the 28th. Tell me a bit about them.
Yeah, so the July 26th, we will be on site at Bronson Methodist Hospital, so our campus in downtown Kalamazoo. And then on the 28th, we will be at our Bronson Battle Creek location off of North Avenue in Battle Creek. These are both from 2 to 6. We're looking for clinical assistants. So a lot of our entry-level patient care roles to kind of get your foot in the door into the clinical field. So we are offering $5,000 sign-on bonuses for full-time positions. And both of these events are also being held virtually. So you can visit bronsonhealth.com/job fair at the time of the event, which is between 2 and 6 on either day. And you can feel free to jump on virtually via a Zoom link on that link there. And so you should be able to jump on and chat with us about positions at any of our locations, any sort of clinical positions.
Tell me about the locations of these positions.
Yeah, so Bronson Methodist Hospital, downtown Kalamazoo on Tuesday, the 26th. And there'll be signs, but it'll be in our Gilmore Center from 2 to 6. And then on the 28th, we're looking at Bronson Battle Creek Hospital at 300 North Avenue at the Outpatient Center. So you'll look for a sign that says Outpatient Entrance. You'll park there, and then we'll have people to guide you and some signs that'll point you to the right direction once you get there as well. But again, both of them are also being held virtually as well.
And my apologies there. I should have specified on the specifics, the location for these clinical assistants. Where would these positions be based?
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, so these positions would be based. We do have positions across our full system. So we are about 9,000 employees strong, and we have 4 inpatient hospitals and almost 100 outpatient facilities. So the majority of these positions would be at Bronson Methodist Hospital, so downtown Kalamazoo, or at Bronson Battle Creek Hospital at 300 North Avenue in Battle Creek.
Tell me a little bit about clinical assistants. You mentioned it there a little bit, but if you could elaborate a little more on their roles.
Yeah, so, at Bronson Battle Creek, we refer to these as acute care assistants, and Bronson Methodist Hospital, we look at this role as a patient care assistant, but we kind of use the clinical assistant job title to cover a broad range of entry-level patient care roles available across our system. So, these employees do work in the hospital units alongside of our clinical teams to kind of help ensure patients and families receive that quality care experience that they're expecting with coming to visit us. So some of the duties are like taking vital signs, assisting with activities of daily living, administering medication, some of those other basic nursing related work, assisting the nurses. And this job, really, like I said, really is ideal for anyone looking to get their foot in the door in the healthcare industry. These positions, you really get some really good hands-on experience that serves as a great stepping stone or bridge between maybe clinical practice if you're in school for anything clinical related and want some experience, or like I said, really just looking to get your foot in the door, whether that be nursing, social work, things like that. And really the only requirement for this job is that applicants have a high school diploma or GED, a great attitude, and are eager to learn. We do prefer like a CNA certification, but it's not required, and we do all on the job training and to help our new hires be successful.
You mentioned it a little bit there as potential foot in the door. In your opinion, why is this position, these clinical assistants, a rewarding career path?
Yeah, so being at Bronson is an amazing organization to be a part of. We do offer very, comprehensive and impressive benefits package. All of our benefits are effective day one, which is really great for anyone looking for a new position. You don't have to wait for any of that lapse in coverage. We do have really competitive pay, and like I said earlier, sign-on bonuses. But overall, we're really driven by our mission, our values. Really, this is a positive work environment with a ton of opportunities for learning and growth. There's so many perks to working at Bronson, from our wellness benefits to opportunity for growth. A lot of these things that I mentioned are all really great things that play into who we are as Bronson.
I believe you made a mention of it just a moment ago or earlier in the stream, but how many positions available, and then how soon are you looking to have those filled by?
Yeah, so we do have multiple positions, both at Bronson Methodist Hospital in Kalamazoo and Bronson Battle Creek. And we would like to fill them, as soon as we have some candidates that we feel would be a good fit for our organization. So anyone coming out to the job fair, we are doing open interviews kind of during those times. So you will be able to interview with one of our managers from one of our locations. So coming to the job fair is not just a place for you to learn about opportunities, but also interview directly one-on-one with someone that could be your supervisor and talk about, some more ins and outs of the role, what it's like in the day of the life of someone in this role. So you can really get a good background of what this position looks like as well.
Adam, is there anything else that you'd like to make a mention of regarding these job fairs?
Yeah, I mean, like I said, kind of encompassing everything, we really are looking for those that have a great attitude, are willing to learn. We do on-the-job training. Bronson is the largest employer in Southwest Michigan and one of the top places to work as well. So we're the only level 1 trauma center. We're the only children's hospital, and we do possess the magnet status for nursing, which just means that you're a great employer to work at for nurses and those in clinical positions.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you tuned in maybe halfway through this stream or just now clicking in, there's a link attached. If you're viewing here on Facebook, takes you over to woodtv.com. You can see our full conversation right there. Adam, thank you.
Thanks so much.
Folks, this has been a look at the Wood TV Live Desk. I'm News 8 digital anchor Luke Laster. Have a great afternoon, and we'll see you around. Thanks.